Welcome back to ECMA tutorial series. Today the topic is very small, so I am just going to discuss about the exponential operator. So it is one of the important operator. So generally we did addition, subtractions, multiply, division. These things is exponential, that means the power, right? So let's see how generally we did these things. So let two variable, suppose let a equal to 2 and let b equal to 3. So if I just going to multiply this number, simply write console log and write a b, right? And let's refresh this, we are getting output 6. But this time I am going to show you the exponential, so that means the power, right? So a double star b. So this is the operator, double star operator. By this operator actually it will generate. So the value of a is 2, right? And the value of b is 3. That means 2 will multiply 3 times in this way, right? So actually the output will be 2 into 2 into 2. So let's see, this is 8. 2 into 2 equal to 4. 4 multiplied 2, that means 8, right? So this is the exponential operator. So now if I just going to take another variable, let c equal to 4, and I just write exponent of c. So what will be the output? Actually this is the tricky things, and interview will ask these things and you will need these things. So actually this is the concept. So if I now just print the output, so what should do? So let's refresh this. So we are getting this kind of output, that means this is the huge number. So I just want to small the number, so let's say c equal to 2 and refresh. So we are getting 512. So why 512? Actually if we see the 2 to the power 3, that means 2 into 2 into 2, and then it should multiply again 2 times, means these things into these things. But actually this not happen. Actually the thing is, here it will calculate from right to left, that means in this direction, right? So here actually calculation is happening in this way, a exponential b c. So just refresh this, we will get the same output. But if I just write here in this way, that means a exponent of b, then exponent of c, and inside the bracket I am just going to write a exponent of b. That means a to the power b to the power c. That means here the output will be 2 into 2 into 2, then again this 2, right? So this will be the output. So let's refresh this. So we are getting the defined output, that is 64, right? I think you can understand what is happening, and this is a small concept. So let's say how many you understand this. So please comment in a below comment section, and next day we are going to discuss about the main things. So why we are going to discuss the ECMA script and what is the advanced concept. So we are going to create a modular concept. So we'll create some module in JavaScript and we'll operate all the files and we'll connect each and other things, right? So please like and subscribe the channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.